Have you ever stood in your poultry house early in the morning only to find your birds dull with pale combs, watery droppings, and a drop in egg production overnight? Or maybe you've bought commercial vitamin supplements that promise miracles, but after spending thousands of shillings, your flock still looks weak and your profits keep shrinking. You're not alone. Farmers across Kenya, Nigeria, India, and even the US struggle with this same problem, keeping birds healthy and productive without breaking the bank. The reality is that stress, disease, and poor nutrition cost poultry farmers billions globally every year. In Kenya alone, heat stress during the hot months can wipe out up to 20% of smallholder flocks, while egg production can drop by 30% in layers if vitamin deficiency is not addressed. Now imagine losing that much in one season. Painful, right? But what if I told you there's a solution sitting right in your kitchen or compost heap, something that costs nothing, works with science, and has already been tested on farms like yours? Boiled orange peel water. Yes, you heard me right. That same peel you throw away after eating an orange is packed with natural vitamins, antioxidants, and essential oils that can transform your poultry's health in just a few days. Farmers who've tried it have reported brighter combs, improved appetite, firmer droppings, stronger immunity, and even better growth rates. It's natural, cheap, and farmer tested. And today, I'm going to walk you step by step through how this simple DIY vitamin booster works, the science behind it, and exactly how to prepare and use it safely in your flock. By the end, you'll realize you don't need to always run to agrovet shelves to keep your chickens healthy. You have powerful tools already in your hands. If you care about healthier chickens and better profits, give this video a like, share it with another farmer, subscribe so you don't miss proven tips like this, and tell me where you're watching from around the world. Let's dive in. Every farmer knows that nutrition is the backbone of poultry farming. You can have the best housing, the best breed, or even the best vaccines, but if your flock is missing vital nutrients, they will fail. Birds on poor diets become more vulnerable to Newcastle coccidiosis and respiratory infections. They grow slower, convert feed poorly, and lay fewer eggs. And here's the kicker: stress makes the problem worse. Whether it's transport stress, high temperatures, overcrowding, or sudden feed changes, birds under stress need even more vitamins, especially A, C, and E. Yet most farmers depend on premixes that may lose potency during storage or supplements that cost 300 to 700 shillings per sachet. For a farmer with 200 birds, that's not sustainable. One of the most overlooked deficiencies is vitamin C. Unlike humans, chickens can synthesize some vitamin C on their own, but under heat stress or disease challenge, the demand skyrockets. That's why you see panting, reduced feed intake, and weak immunity. And here's the painful truth: most commercial feeds in East Africa are not fortified with vitamin C, so farmers are left to deal with the consequences. Egg production drops, fertility in breeders suffers, and mortality in broilers increases. For example, a layer farmer in Machakos shared with me how his daily egg collection dropped from 220 to 150 during the hot season until he started supplementing vitamins. Within 2 weeks, the numbers bounced back. So where do orange peels come in? Science has shown that citrus peels are rich in vitamin C, flavonoids, essential oils, and natural antioxidants. A study published in the Journal of Poultry Science and Technology found that including citrus peel extracts in broiler diets improved weight gain, reduced mortality, and enhanced gut health by modulating microflora. FAO bulletins have also highlighted the potential of citrus waste as a feed additive, emphasizing its role in sustainable farming. In simple terms, orange peels are nature's vitamin booster, proven both in the lab and in the field. But let's break it down in farmer language. Think of your bird's body like a Jiko stove. To get strong heat, you need enough charcoal and good airflow. Vitamins are like the airflow. Without them, even if you have plenty of feed, the charcoal, the fire won't burn efficiently. That's why birds on vitamin deficiency eat but don't grow, drink but don't perform. By boiling orange peels, you release these natural vitamins into the water, making them easily available to your birds. And because it's natural, you don't risk overdosing or chemical residues in eggs and meat. Now let's go step by step into how you can make and use boiled orange peel water on your farm.
Hi there, my name's Peter and I've been raising chickens for over 10 years now. Layers, broilers, even some indigenous birds. Let me be honest, before I found this book, I was struggling. Feed prices were going up, antibiotics were becoming less effective, and my flock just wasn't performing like it used to. Then I came across The Organic Chicken Farmer's Guide by Dominic Ngafo and Mugweru Isaac. I decided to buy it, and I'll tell you something. It changed everything on my farm. This guide isn't theory, it's practical. It shows you how to use local, affordable things like garlic, neem, turmeric, aloe vera, even charcoal, to keep your birds healthy and productive. I started small. I tried the moringa and garlic in the water for a week. I noticed improved appetite, less coughing, and better energy. Now, I've built my own small black soldier fly setup for protein, and I'm using fermented feeds regularly. My birds are growing faster, my eggs are bigger. I'm saving money, and I haven't used antibiotics in months. The best part? The book is easy to understand. It speaks our language, not complicated science. And it's available in English, French, Spanish, Portuguese, and Indonesian, so anyone can use it. If you're serious about poultry farming and want to move forward the smart way, scan the QR code you see on your screen or click the link in the description and the pinned comment. This book worked for me. I believe it can work for you too.
Start by collecting fresh peels from 3 to 4 medium oranges. Avoid rotten or moldy peels because molds can carry aflatoxins, which are dangerous. Wash the peels thoroughly to remove any dirt or pesticide residues. Place them in 1 liter of clean water and boil for 10 to 15 minutes. You'll notice the water turning slightly yellowish and giving off that strong citrus smell. That's the vitamins and essential oils being released. Allow the water to cool, then strain off the peels. Now you have your DIY vitamin booster. Dosage is important. For small flocks, mix 100 milliliters of this boiled orange peel water into every 1 liter of drinking water. For larger flocks, you can scale it up. 1 liter of peel extract for every 10 liters of drinking water. Give it for 3 consecutive days whenever your birds are under stress, after vaccination, during heat waves, after deworming, or when you notice dullness and reduced appetite. Farmers who tried this in Kisumu reported that within 72 hours, their birds were more active, droppings firmed up, and feed intake improved. One layer farmer in Kiambu with 500 layers told me he saved almost 5,000 shillings in 1 month by replacing commercial vitamin supplements with boiled orange peel water during hot periods. His egg production stayed consistent at 85% and mortality dropped. Another broiler farmer in Eldoret noted that his flock reached 2.2 kilograms at 5 weeks with less mortality compared to previous cycles. These are real farmers with real results. Of course, there are common mistakes to avoid. Don't use peels from oranges sprayed heavily with pesticides unless you wash them thoroughly. Don't store the boiled water for more than 24 hours. It loses potency and may ferment. And don't assume giving more will work faster. Stick to the dosage because too much citrus oil can irritate the gut. Now, some farmers might say, Dominic, isn't this just another farmer myth? Can orange peels really replace vitamins? Let's be clear. Orange peels are not a complete substitute for all vitamins. They mainly provide vitamin C, some vitamin A precursors, and antioxidants. Your birds still need a balanced feed with proper premixes to meet their overall vitamin and mineral needs. However, as a natural booster during stress, orange peels work. In fact, a 2018 study by Abdelrahman et al. Confirmed that citrus peel supplementation improved antioxidant status and reduced oxidative stress in poultry. That's solid science. Another objection I hear is that boiling destroys vitamin C. True, vitamin C is heat sensitive, but boiling for 10 to 15 minutes still leaves enough in the water, and the essential oils remain intact. Think of it this way, farmers have used herbal teas for centuries, and science is only now catching up. Boiling makes the nutrients more available while also killing any harmful microbes on the peels. So it's not just farmer talk, it's farmer wisdom meeting poultry science. So what should you take away from this? First, don't ignore vitamin deficiencies in your flock. They are silent profit killers. Second, you don't always need expensive agrovet products. Sometimes the solution is in your kitchen. Third, boiled orange peel water is a proven, safe, and affordable way to give your birds a vitamin boost, especially under stress. Start small, observe your flock, and you'll see the difference. My challenge to you is this. The next time your birds look weak, try this method for 3 days. Watch their combs brighten, their energy return, and their productivity improve. Then come back and tell me in the comments what you observed. Farming is about learning, testing, and sharing. Together, we can build a stronger, more profitable poultry sector. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for weekly poultry tips, and share this with a farmer who needs it. Remember, poultry farming is not just about birds, it's about hope, resilience, and turning small steps into big successes. Keep pushing, keep learning, and keep growing. Until next time, I'm Dominic, your poultry vet and consultant. Stay blessed and may your flocks thrive.